All right, so we're ready to put this spoiler on.
Hey bro, that's the wrong one.
What you mean, bro? You know, a spoiler is like a child, all right? It starts off small, you give it some water, you give it some love, and eventually it grows up. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Today I got a special guest and a special install. I got my friend Blake. I'll shout out his Instagram, or you know what? Shout out your Instagram, man. I'll leave it. I'll leave it down below. I'll leave it down below. But if y'all don't know, y'all probably don't know. I never introduced him before. He bought a Miata about a week and a half ago. And yeah, this thing is sick. He went with the red. I influenced him, of course I did. But tell him what we're gonna be doing today, man.
Well, I ordered a really big spoiler. It's 57 inches long, and we're gonna be installing it today.
We're gonna be installing it. If y'all don't know, my boy Blake here, he had a 95 M edition in a nice, what was it, burgundy color? I guess you could say. I don't know what the official name of the color is.
Merlot.
Ooh, that sounds nice. But yeah, I'll post pictures of it. And basically, squatted trucks, we got dumb idiots everywhere around here, especially in the South. They went ahead, and I'll post pictures with Blake's permission, of course. If he says no, I won't. But he basically got rear-ended really bad. And of course, with the Miata, they totaled it. It didn't look good. So he went ahead and got another one. And that is the one that we're seeing here today. So his solution to never getting rear-ended again is, instead of destroying all the squatted trucks like Whistling Diesel, let's go ahead and just add a huge spoiler on it. And that is what we are going to be installing today. They gave us a good bit of hardware for it, and that is it. That is huge, especially for a small car like the Miata. I'm excited. We're gonna be doing a little bit of drilling. Also exciting. But yeah, it's gonna go somewhere back here. You said you wanted it either a little bit up or a little bit back. So it's up to wherever he thinks. But yeah, it's gonna be huge anyway. Do you know how much it's gonna stick up? Like,
It's supposed to be about 10 inches tall.
10 inches tall. So it's gonna be a really good size. But yeah, you're gonna have a nice little bit of downforce. And it's got the 1.8 in it. It's got the exact same wheels that I want. So spoiler, if you guys are waiting for what wheels I'm gonna get next, I really like the Advantee Storm S1s. They're really, really nice. And he's got a really nice exhaust on it. So his Miata is just a little bit nicer than mine right off the bat. But yeah, we're just putting stuff together right now, just putting all the hardware together, and we're gonna figure out how we're gonna do it. And it should be a nice video. I hope so. It being right here, you guys can get a clear size for how big it is. I'm a little bit scared about how big this is gonna be. Like, it's gonna, like, hey, if anything, I used to confuse my Miata with yours. With this, I will not. Okay, yeah, we'll be straight. All right, so that was probably the most stressful part of the install. Let's hope that they're right. I feel like we measured twice and cut and drilled once, so that's what you're supposed to do. That's what they look like right now, and those are the tabs they'll go on. We can fully adjust the spoiler on how much downforce we want, on what position it's at. We're just putting them up to the car right now. Somebody put some aluminum foil on the back, bro. Damn, where you can cook stuff on the hood. I mean, on the trunk. Yeah. But yeah, we're just tying them up right now. About to put the camera down and let's get to see if we can put the spoiler on there. All right, and we're done. What you think?
I dig it. It's nice.
I think we did a really good job. This is the first time both of us have ever put a spoiler on.
Yeah.
The one with the Mustang was all of the holes already came pre-drilled, so it was impossible to mess up. But this, we pretty much had to do it ourselves. Tell me what you guys think. I feel like the only thing we could have done is maybe measured a little bit better, but I feel like overall we did the best that we could. I mean, just by looking at it on camera, it looks pretty dead spot on. So we have these knobs right here, and you can adjust it whether you want more downforce, you want it a little bit taller, a little bit shorter, however you want. But yeah, hopefully now Blake, all the trucks will see you. Thank you, Blake, for featuring on the channel. I like your Miata. I'm so jealous that you have a hard top and a roll bar already. Definitely stuff I'm gonna do to mine in the future for sure. Start up that 1.8. Watch out for that front lip. Low car problems. Ooh, you got it! Guys. Yo, that thing looks sick with the wing, yeah? Oh yeah, you want to test out the steering wheel?
You're really close.
Yeah, it is really close. But I mean, I kind of like that. It gives it more of a race car look. Joe, look, try to do the blinker.
Really
whenever you, yeah, the blinker is now far away. And then try taking it off. You just grab the, you just grab it with the middle. Yeah, there you go. You just grab it and pull it back, and then pull it off. Damn! But yeah, it doesn't do that ding because it's carbon fiber. But and the horn works. The clock spring is still good. Okay, this is the one thing that I'm so upset about ours. Okay guys, look at this ride height. First of all, this ride height for this Miata is atrocious. On top of that, I love these Koenig wheels, but they're 16 inches. Whereas my man over here has freaking awesome fitment for him just getting it. And then he's got, so if you look at the difference in how low it is to the ground. Plus that added lip adds a little bit more of an aesthetic. But they go his, which is really nice, and then ours, which is like sky high. So I'm a little disappointed. We're gonna fix that eventually. But yeah, it makes his, give it more of a race car look. But yeah, man, thank you for coming over, man. Thank you for letting me, you know, help you with the wing. We messed up a few times, but we got it right. So yeah, man, with that being said, like, subscribe. I'll have Blake's stuff in the description. I'll have it on screen, and catch you in another video. Peace.